Hello everybody. I want to give you some highlights from our week. So this is life, real food with us. And so this week on Saturday, we went to the farmer's market like we always do. So our favorite thing to do for breakfast, farmer's market days, is overnight oatmeal. So we had our overnight oatmeal and then headed to the market, came home with a haul from the market, which was perfect because Saturday night we had a family get-together potluck, and we did another video on the kale salad and the sweet and spicy sriracha carrot hummus that we took to the potluck. So you'll have to check that out. And those were a huge success. And then on Sunday we had Scott's sister here, so we did a breakfast casserole again Sunday morning, which was perfect because we used the veggies that we had, and then we love doing those because it gave us so many mornings of leftovers. And so really Sunday is our clean out the fridge from the prior week, and we had leftovers. But Sunday night, I was craving curry. And so we had eggplant, mushrooms, summer squash, onions, and of course garlic. And so we threw together a curry. We had some black rice that was in the freezer, so thawed that out and had curry. Because sometimes when I envision what we're going to eat for dinner, really what I'm doing is envisioning the leftovers and how good they will be, even to incorporate into breakfast with an egg on top. So you should know that. So then here we were, we rolled into Monday, and we had a vision for doing a pesto fish packet on Monday night. So here we were eating leftovers Monday for, breakfast and lunch, and life happened. Unexpected things kind of came up on Monday. So we pushed the pesto fish packet, and on Monday night, we just roasted some vegetables and did a salad and basically ate the curry again. And so then on Tuesday, we said, okay, this is it. Tonight, we're going to do the pesto fish packet. So we showed you how to make homemade pesto. We had carrot tops and we had fresh basil. And if you have not seen it yet, there is a video on the homemade pesto and the pesto fish packet. And so check that out because it was fantastic. And of course we ate that leftover. And then, so the beautiful thing about this week, it was all about leftovers. And you will see us eat leftovers. But what we do is we take those ingredients and we change them up, because no boring leftovers here. This is not about deprivation and being bored with what you're eating. So we transformed several of those, including another night, we took that leftover pesto, cooked some farro, roasted some vegetables, and used that pesto to be our seasoning for the roasted vegetables and the farro with our salad. And it was fantastic. And so Wednesday night, I decided we were gonna quick pickle some veggies because I was craving them. That happens every couple weeks when we run out. So we had avocado toast one morning with the pickled veggies on top, still using our fresh summer tomatoes. And then on Thursday, we went and got hatch chili peppers. Oh, and there is another video on that one, 3 bonus videos this week for you to see how do you get hatch chili peppers, how do you, get them home, store them. And we also showed you, we did a hatch chili burger that was phenomenal. And so tonight, here we are. We're at the end of the week. We're trying to use up all of the things that we got last Saturday at the market. And so I had just enough ingredients. We are doing, and of course the hatch chilies were the inspiration here. So we are doing the hatch chili Southwest quinoa. Basically, you saute a bunch of veggies, you cook the quinoa separately, then you put it all together, put some cheese on it, and put it in the oven. I went ahead and cooked it in the cast iron skillet in the oven, but you could absolutely transfer this to a 9x13 and cook it in the oven that way. So this is another one of those meals that I will be thinking about leftovers with an egg on top. So we're gonna have this and a salad with what's left of our farmer's market ingredients. We have some green onion and peaches. There's a pear and cucumber on there. We've got some avocado that is screaming to be used. And then our neighbor gifted us with multiple watermelons this week. So we are going to cut that up and get that going. And then you will see us hit the farmer's market again tomorrow, and it will be overnight oatmeal. Again, just a different flavor combo. So I would love for you to check out all the videos, and I hope you had a great week.